Afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, January the 9th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of today. Well, let me look at the front page. This is Trump. Yes. Greenland, not for sale. Panama Canal, not for sale. Trump want to buy, yes, Greenland. Yeah, interesting. The first Sudoku puzzle is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9868. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 26. Printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. 7 in this column, last column, 7 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places level 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7, this one, no 7, there's 7, should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, 2 in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1 and number 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 5, okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this column, 1 of the missing numbers, and 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Then 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for 3 should be there. Then Then. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. How about the 8? No, the 8 here, okay. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column. No 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. 1 digit left in this big square. But number 1. 1, 1, 1, okay. 5 and 3. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this row. No 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 6 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Then let me see. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then let me see. 6, 7, and 8. In 8 here. 1 and 6. Come on. You've not all the 8s. Yeah. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column 3, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1. I need to wait. 6. 3 here, 3 there. Come on. 7, 9, and 6. I need a 6 here. Where are the 6s? Where are the 6s? 6, 6. 6, 6. Yeah. We need an 8 here. How about? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places left for 7. Could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only two places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. So here, 2 numbers left, a 6 and a 3. Okay, here 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 5 and a 3. Difficult. 2, need a 3, 4, need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this column, 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 5 in this row, so this can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet, 6 and a 9. And I need a 5 here, yeah. We need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay, so we have a 5 there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third row. 5 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 6, and I need a 7 here. How about this box? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. Yeah. Need a 6 here. 6, 5, and I need a 9. In this big square, in this row, the third row, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So this box can be 6 anymore, this box should be a 9 then. 9 or a 6, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 6 then. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so third row, the only place level 9 should be there. And we have a pair in this column, 9 and a 7 in this column, 9 and a 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 9 and 7, 9 and 7. So 1 digit left in this column, I believe the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 1 goes. Oh, wait. 9 and a 7. We already have a 6 here. This is not good. This is not good. Wait, this 6 is not good. Come on. Here 9 and 7. So this box should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This box should be an 8. This cannot be an 8. This should be the 6 then. No. This one is not correct. This box should be a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between. The only place level 6 should be here. Okay. So 6. Here should be a 1. Here should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes here with 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left now. This big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Okay. What is this? 1 box left in this column for number 6 then. 6 or 7, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay, so 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for number, I believe, the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Okay. Then 5 and the 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 or 6, we have a 3 here, so this box should be a 6. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And a final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 60 minutes. Well, definitely at 2 stars. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning, but we solve again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.